Spinach gratin in 5 minutes. We'll be needing 300 grams of fresh spinach soaked in boiling water. If you're using frozen spinach, add a squeeze of lemon in the water. Add to the spinach 2 tablespoons of whole wheat flour, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix them well with the spinach, and then add half a cup of shredded mozzarella. Mix it well, and then add 1.5 cups of milk. Then add half the other cup of shredded mozzarella, and then top it with 1 tablespoon of butter in the manner that you see. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 Celsius for 20 minutes. When done, broil it on the top for another 3 minutes to achieve the right color.